Good afternoon, guys, and welcome back to the channel. Welcome along if you're new. My name's Glenn. Okay, guys, so back to the grind for me this week after my week in Tenerife. If you've been watching the channel, yeah, you'll see that I've been on holiday. Me and the missus went to celebrate our 30th wedding anniversary over in Tenerife. But we're back to the grindstone now, back to reality, and back in work. So there you go, guys. How have you been? Feels like ages since I've been down here, to be honest. I've been coming down this week trying to do a little film, but the weather's been terrible. Today's been quite nice, and I came down here actually to try and show you a ship that's been on the wind farm all week. Come down here because it's a clear day. Lo and behold, it's gone. So there you go. I was hoping to show you it. What it was a ship that's on stilts. And I looked it up to see what it was doing. It's a ship that's been servicing the wind turbines out at sea. It had 6 stilts. Amazing to see. I was hoping to show you. I'll put a picture on for you. That's what I'll do. Yeah, it's been servicing the wind turbines. These legs go 140 odd feet down into the seabed and lifts the ship 25 feet out the water. And I seen it, I thought I'm going to film that for you guys, but there you go, it's gone. So we've missed out on that one, unfortunately, but I will put a picture on for you. So let's have a little walk. Yeah, so like I said, been a busy week. After getting home, doing all the holiday washing, nightmare. Getting the cases put back in the loft. At the same time, bringing the Christmas tree down. It's yeah, it's weird getting out of holiday mood straight into Christmas mood. But we're cracking on with it now and almost done. Looking forward to a nice few days off over Christmas. What are you guys up to? Hope you're all okay. Cracking on with your Christmas shopping. Got you all done. You don't leave it to the last minute like I do. All organised. Well, I've got you on as well. Just got to remind you, if you're visiting Wales or you're already living in Wales, driving over here, from Sunday, which is this Sunday, the 17th, as you all know, the 20-mile-an-hour speed limit over here, absolute nightmare. Well, from Sunday onwards, the police are starting to enforce the law. They're going to start fining people if you're caught doing more than 20. They're giving you a little bit more, 23, 24 mile an hour, something like that. But yeah, they're going to start enforcing it through the camera vans, following you around the way they do. And they're going to start fining. So yeah, just be careful. Personally, I'm struggling with it again. I know I've said it before, but still struggling. The only way I can stick to 20 mile an hour is if I sit staring at the speedo and concentrate on nothing else. Which is not good, you know. You can't be doing that, especially driving a bus. So yeah, just be careful. It's going to be a case of how long can you keep your license. It's pretty calm today. It's been quite rough all week. And quite windy. Down by the lifeboat house, a bit further down the prom, there's an absolute heap of sand that's been blown onto the promenade. All needs sweeping up and putting back on the beach. So yeah, I did a little bit of filming while I was over in Tenerife. There's a few videos on the channel. Make sure you watch the travel day if you haven't watched it already. You'll see the weather that we landed into when we landed at Tenerife airport. I had no idea how bad it was until we landed. So yeah, have a look for the travel day Tenerife, and it's on there. There's a few other little videos on there as well that I did. Got to say, I've just come back from Clandid now. Done an early chester this morning. I've been up since 3:15. I was on the first chester out from nil this morning. And then I've just finished my shift at the Landed now. It seems strangely quiet. Usually this time of year, for the first few weeks coming into towards Christmas, it's absolutely rammed. Getting into Llandudno, but I think the last few days it's been really quiet. Whether everyone's going to come out next week, I should say. Everyone's going to come out once, or they've done it last week when I was on holiday, maybe. But yeah, it just seems really quiet. So you've got your online shopping, which I know is having an impact on the shops as well. But yeah, it's really quiet. So we'll just have a little walk over to the other side of the bridge here. Towards the cafe, and we'll see what's going on there. Just wanted to jump on quickly, say hello to everyone. Wish you a happy Friday. It's like ages since I've been on. It's been so busy since we got back off holiday. Like I say, it's just you know what it's like when you get home. There's all kinds to do. Obviously Christmas tree up, decorations. The week's just flown by. Not too bad here today. It's 14 degrees. That's what it was saying on the thermometer in the car as I drove down here. Very little wind today as well. I know while I was on holiday in Tenerife, they had a lot of frost back here. The lad was saying when I spoke to him, it's been freezing all day, minus. Which didn't help when I come back to the car park at Manchester Airport. Flat battery. I was up on level 7 in the multi-story. And we had a cracking ride home as well. Everything was on time. We landed 10 minutes early from Tenerife after leaving 45 minutes late. Pilot said we had the jet stream behind us pushing us all the way back to the UK. 620 mile an hour. We landed early. Security at Manchester. There was no one there, straight through. Couldn't believe it. Everything was going great. Like I say, we got to the car park, flat battery. Luckily, one of the marshals was look after all the car parks at Manchester. Nice guy came round and got his power pack on and got us going. So we were only stuck there about half an hour. A view of the fishing boats. It's a bit of winter sunshine. Can't see any snow on the hills either. Oh, looking quite dry at the moment. You reckon it's going to be mild right up until Christmas, so the weatherman last night he hadn't ruled out a white Christmas, but you never know. Harbour Hub Cafe, looking quiet. Yeah, so guys, just while we're on the subject of Christmas, we all, we all look at Christmas differently. Not everybody enjoys Christmas. If you're one of those people, it's an incredibly emotional time of year. I think as you get older as well, you kind of get more emotional as well. But yeah, don't suffer in silence. You're one of those people who are not enjoying Christmas and this time of year. Then reach out. You know, you're not on your own. A lot of people feel the same. Uh, just talk to family, talk to friends, talk to me. You know, you've got your bus driver family. Yeah, so don't suffer in silence. That's what I'm trying to say. Those people to talk to. At the end of the video as well, I'll put a couple of links on helplines you can phone. They're really useful. They're all good charities. So yeah, we're all here. We're all in it together. Don't worry about that. Little doggy down there on his own. Who's he belong to? Oh God, don't tell me he's not on an owner. I'll need. Oh, it's alright, I can see them. He's just barking at me with the camera. He's gonna have me. Oh God. He's coming to say hello. Hello, fella. Come on then. Come on then. Hello. Hello, baby boy. Oh, aren't you beautiful? Ah, what's your name? Oh, you are beautiful, you are. Hey, telling me off? Hey, don't you want to be on camera? Is that what it is? You're too cute not to go on camera, aren't you? Hey, hey, come on then. Come on then. Oh, cutie. That's a little Yorkshire Terrier. Oh, he's coming back. I think I've made a friend for life. Come on then. Come on, boy. Oh, you my new mate? Hey, you my new mate? Oh, cute you. Aren't you? You're cute. Oh, where's your mum? Where's your mum and dad? Go on then. Go and tell them. Go and tell them. Come on then. Where have you gone? There he is. Come on, fella. Hey, I'll put you in my pocket. Hey, take you to play with my dog. I don't think you want to play with my dog. Scared the life out of you. He's friendly, isn't he? Normally I have some in my pocket as well. She's not. Ah. Oh, gorgeous you are. Aren't you? Hey, I've got to go now. Bye bye then. What's her name? What's her name? Go on. Rose. Yeah, a lovely couple here with the dog. Just been talking to them about the little Yorkshire Terrier they've got there. She's 8. trying to stop her from going up to people and asking for treats because she's not allowed them. Bless her. Lucky you didn't have any treats in my pocket. I normally have because I'm going to walk our dog. But I didn't have any. God, she got mad at me. But yeah, lovely couple there. Oh yeah, there you go. A few more dog walkers about now. Lovely day for walking the dog. That's what I've got to do when I get home. Go and walk our mad lad. He's in the process of having some training sessions. So hopefully in a few weeks' time, maybe a bit longer, probably going to take a while with him. He's so boisterous. Hopefully he'll calm down a lot more and be able to get him out on camera when I bring him on here to show you guys. But at the moment he's too strong for Anne-Marie to walk him. And I can't film and walk him at the same time. It's all been a bit awkward. But hopefully eventually, that's what it'll be. Let's get him on camera, doing the walks with us. That's what we got him for. So hopefully that's what we'll get soon. Doggy again, asking for more treats. Right guys, so that's the end of today's little walk. Just wanted to come on, have a little catch up with you all. It feels like ages since I've done this. So yeah, make sure you hit the like button for me. Subscribe if you're not already. And I'll see you soon guys. Take care of yourselves, have a lovely weekend. Bye for now.